Hi guys, here again with a little post-training snack that I like to have, especially in the lockdown. I haven't got a chance to make some food at home. Just want to show you the protein balls from this morning. Peanut butter one's been in the fridge for a couple of hours. They're firmed up in a good shape. Perfect first thing in the morning or as a little afternoon snack with a coffee. And now I'm going to make a nice snack of avocado on toast with a little bit of crumbled feta and salmon fillet that I had left over from last night. Sweet chili salmon. So we're going to start with avocado. Really good fat. It's really good for you, especially when you're exercising, to get in your body. You know, real superfood. I know very in trend at the moment. Everyone's having, and I certainly have a lot of avocado in my diet, and they take on flavour really well. So that on the toast, a little mash. Very simple, especially with the ripe avocados. I know everyone's loving avocado on toast at the moment. Little pinch of salt, pinch of pepper. That's that, and then we'll go on with the crumbled feta, which I really like. Low fat cheese, not too strong. Great in salads. Great with avocado as well, and a little bit of toast. That there. Same again, pinch of pepper, pinch of salt. And I like to add a little drizzle of olive oil around there. Very chefy. See the plate now? Get that in. And then we'll top it with the salmon fillet. Just break that up a little bit. All on the toast. Finish it off with a little bit of chilli oil, because I do love my chilli, even though the salmon's sweet chilli. And there we have it. Great little post-workout snack. Everything you could want. Carbs in the bread, wholemeal toast, protein with the salmon, good fat with the avocado, and then a little bit of cheese as well. Thanks guys. Let me know what you think.